So NDTV has reached the ground zero. We are at Nuwakot area of Nepal where the flash floods have hit and damaged and destructed this entire area. You can see a section of people who have taken some rescue on top of some buildings there. Since morning, they have been waiting for relief and rescue personnel to reach them. A few of them we spoke to said they haven't had a sip of water since morning. Massive destruction. You can see the vehicles here submerged totally in this destruction which has come with the flash floods which has hit this area. We have few locals here who would like to get a sense of what happened in the morning when the flash floods hit this area. आप कहाँ रहते हैं और घर कहाँ है आपका? क्या हुआ सुबह? क्या देखा आपने?
जब ये ऊपर से जब आया था बहुत स्पीड से आया था, जो पानी का दह है बहुत स्पीड से आया था। जब हम लोग लगभग 10 मिनट का फर्क में एकदम ऊपर भाग गया, हम लोग बहुत स्पीड से आया था इधर। जब आदमी ऊपर से आया भागो भागो बोला, तब हम लोग सब इधर से भाग गए। है 2-4 आदमी फंसा हुआ, शायद मर गया होगा, वो लोग लेकर गया होगा। हम लोग प्राय आदमी सब भाग गया।
पर ये अंदाजा है कि कितने लोग फंसे भी हो सकते हैं?
अंदाजा नहीं है, अंदाजा
तो
नहीं।
जिसको जब जो बन पड़ा उस तरफ वो भागा अपनी जान बचाने के लिए।
हाँ, जान बचाने के लिए भाग गया।
तो आपका घर कौन सा आप दिखा सकते हैं ताकि हम?
नहीं है,
हाँ,
घर लेकर गया।
कहाँ पे है? किस तरफ था घर?
जो ये घर का लास्ट में है ना,
हाँ।
ये इस साइड का लेफ्ट साइड का घर का लास्ट
हाँ।
में था,
हाँ।
वो लेकर गया है। घर ही नहीं है,
घर पूरा तबाह हो गया, सब मिट्टी के नीचे है।
सब चला गया।
हम देख सकते हैं कि कुछ रेस्क्यू के लिए सरकार से जुड़े लोग भी यहाँ आए हुए हैं। किस तरह की मदद आपको मिल रही है?
अब वो ये तो सरकार वाला देखना चाहिए ना, करना चाहिए तो देखना चाहिए ना।
तो आप लोग फिर अभी दिन भर यहीं बाहर गुजारा है?
सब भागे, सब एक ही कपड़े में। कुछ सामान निकाल नहीं पाए हम लोग, सब एक ही कपड़ा में भागा हुआ है।
पर जो आज हुआ पहले कभी देखा था?
नहीं देखा।
कभी नहीं हुआ इस इलाके में?
नहीं हुआ।
तो कुछ डिस्क्राइब करेंगे क्या हुआ, क्या देखा था आपने?
This happened after maybe it has happened before 2016 Nepali Samvat, and it has happened this.
Are you a local here?
Yeah, I'm local. My house has been ruined by this flood.
So what happened in the morning when you were in
Actually,
your house?
I'm a teacher. I've gone to my school, so I went to my school, and my headmaster told me, okay, actually there is a huge flood. You just immediately go to your home. Just when I came, my 20 cows, they are in the, that means it's debris.
Who all were at home?
Actually, there is no one because
There
my
was no one.
children, they are gone to school,
Okay.
and my wife, she has gone up also. So actually, my house has been damaged. There is my land. It has been that means damaged. That means I am totally lost. So I think some
House
compensation.
is totally submerged and you want some kind of relief now.
Yeah,
from the government.
actually, we are in that kind of relief. It's raining. My cows are there only in the rain. There is no any kind of train. That means immediate response should be.
That's what you want right now.
I think international human rights, and that means
Right.
actually human rights and Red Cross Society also. They need to come here. They need
Help
to
you all, huh?
Yeah, we have to. They need to help us. But they don't need to. That means empower our national integrity because our
Right,
Nepal is
right.
like that.
So-
Which media, ma'am?
We are from India and we are from NDTV. So right now, like, we are speaking to few locals here who are awaiting some kind of relief right now because the whole day has gone and it's in the morning that the flash floods had hit this area. Now there are these rescue.
Humanity should be saved, ma'am. Humanity.
Yes, humanity should be saved. The rescue workers are here. We'll try and catch them too. But right now, the situation is quite grim because this whole area is submerged right now and the rescue operation will take some time because the weather is also not conducive and there is a lot of issues which these locals are right now facing. First, they need some water, some food. They don't have clothes. Whatever they were wearing, they just ran away when the flash floods hit this area. So we are reporting right now from the ground zero. This is the place where the morning was not so beautiful for the people of this area. We'll continue sending our reports from ground zero for NDTV. NDTV is the only channel which has managed to reach ground zero first. So do catch all the news from Nepal with camera person Pooja Arya. This is Sikta Deo in Nepal for NDTV.